Okay, 6.7.41, sum of a geometric series. So remember how that formula went for summing a geometric series. Geometric when you're multiplying to get from one term to the next. So the sum was where you had your initial term times 1 minus your common ratio to the number of terms that you're adding up, all over 1 minus that common ratio. So plug in these numbers appropriately here in this formula. So we have our sum, the answer, the 37.5, our initial first term of 20, it's the a sub 1, 1 minus our common ratio, they told us here, of 0.5, to the end, the number of terms you're adding up, all over 1 minus your common ratio again of 0.5. So that's just a 0.5 down there, half. And if I multiply that to the other side to get rid of it down here, that was dividing by it down here, so I multiplied it. And that's going to be whatever, 18.75, I think. Just double check, make sure I use a calculator here. 37.5 times your 0.5 is 18.75. Equals then I'm going to divide by this 20. And so to 18.75, that's 0.9375. And that's going to equal to 1 minus 0.5. So the n, if I subtract this 1 to the other side, then this is going to be I run out of space here, a negative 0.0625 for the 0.9375 minus 1 equals the negative 0.5 to the n. If I multiply both sides by a negative 1, that would just change them all to positive, or add this one to that side and add this one to this side, however you like to think of that. And then whenever your variable is an exponent, then you're trying to solve for it, convert it to a log. So I've got my log, there's my base, 0.5, right? Yeah, 0.5 of the answer on the other side, the 0.0625 equals my n. And so then that's calculator work. And so when I do that on my calculator, I am going to get 4. So that's my answer. How many terms were there? N. This is the number of terms you're adding up. That's it.